Is your child struggling to read? You are in the right place. Welcome to our step-by-step sight word series. We have already covered 10 groups of sight words, and today we are moving towards group 11. Let's build that reading confidence together. Ready? Let's go. The first sight word is was. Sentence. She was happy. Say it with me. Was. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next sight word is who. Who. Sentence. Who are you? Say it with me. Who. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next sight word is why. Why. Sentence. Why did you run? Say it with me. Why. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next sight word is win. Win. Sentence. I win. Say it with me. Win. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next sight word is you. You. Sentence. You sit. Say it with me. You. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next sight word is yes. Yes. Sentence. Yes, let's go. Say it with me. Yes. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next sight word is zoo. Zoo. Sentence. I am at the zoo. Say it with me. Zoo. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next sight word is zip. Zip. Sentence. Zip the bag. Say it with me. Zip. Now say it by yourself. Good job! Now, let's quickly see all the sight words we learnt today. I will show them on the screen, and you say them quickly. Ready?
Excellent work, children! You read all the words so clearly and confidently. Now, don't forget to complete the 2 worksheets I've added for you. They'll help you remember the sight words even better. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next sight word video. Bye-bye!